Good morning, team. Good morning, team. Hope you guys are fine. We are back again with UK Foot Nines. Okay, so this is another new strategy that I remixed with the old one because I see they've changed. So now, as they change, we also do change. Okay, so this is what's going to happen, guys. Actually, let's just do a recap of what happened yesterday. These guys, they added these four numbers, last four digits from previous results. So when you add 41 plus 45 plus 24 plus 37, the total was 147, which gave us straight three numbers. Can you see 147? And they did not even add or subtract. They just took the numbers as they are. They took the 1, they took the 17, they took the 47, they took the 4. Just imagine with only one chord, which was like 4. Can you see there? So what I'm thinking is, then on tea time, these guys are so clever. On tea time, they took the same chord, 147. They added now. They took 14 only, which was 41. They put it there. Then they now did what? They took the 7. They put it there. Imagine this chord just hit all the draws. Then after they added 14 plus 7, they got what? 21. Which means this chord gave us all the numbers. Actually, I can say 50% out of those numbers. We got those kind of numbers. Which is now clear to us. Okay, then once you have your 147, for example, because I'm still doing a recap, was 147. Then I decided to add the formula now 55. It gave me what? 202, 202, which is the 20 came from there, which also came there. Then if you add, you get 22. Unfortunately, 22 did not drop. If you separate, get 18. Unfortunately, those numbers did not drop. Then, as for today, we're going to do the same. We will add 42 plus 47 plus 43 plus 45. The total that we're going to get there is 117. So which means what these guys are going to do, they're going to take this 17, will repeat. They'll say 17 again. They say 7. Then they add now 17 plus 7. That is a 24. Then there is a 24. If they subtract, there is a 10. So which means we can write down these numbers: 10, 17, 7, and 24. I will clear the team because now we are using exactly what they are doing. We want to see if this is going to work for us, and definitely it's going to do that. Then without forgetting, then they will say 1 plus 7 plus 7. That will give them a 15, which I decide this 15 we put them on the bonuses. 15. Let's add 15 as the bonus. Can't it, we don't want 3 plus bonus. We want it. Yeah, so we have to do it today. Okay. After that, our code was 177. And now we're going to add the formula, which is 55. Once we add 55, we're going to get another code, which is 232. So meaning 23 is coming as well. Let's add 23 there. 23 and 32. Because that's what they normally do, 23 and 22. Then if we add all those numbers, like if you say 23 plus 2, it will give us a 25. So which means our bonus, maybe we can... No. But as for the bonuses, I still need to do another strategy to be sure about the bonuses, because I'm not sure if this is the strategy that they're using for the bonuses. But I'm certain that today the 15 is going to be a sure number or bonus ball. Okay, so let's go and verify. We will use the previous bonus ball, which is 4. So we're going to say 4. We divide 4 by 27.5. So let's go to the calculator and check. If this 27.5 will produce us, then we divide by 27.5. We get 1454, which means I'm right when I say the bonus is ranging from, let me see, 15, which, because if you can see here, there's a 15, there's a 45. So which means our bonuses should be 45, should be 15, then should be 14. Maybe if you want to play the bonuses, you can try to move around that figure. So now let me go and paste this code because I wanted to show you guys how the codes come about for this new strategy. So now we open our notebook. We open there. Then let me just write down everything here. So it's going to say lunch and brunch. Actually, if I say it in brunch, okay, they call it brunch, yes. Okay, then our first code was 177. Second code is 232. Then we already broken the code. Let's say our singles, say 17, 7, 24, 10, then what else, 15, yes. Then we have 23, 32. So these are the singles to play around with. But I'm going to say, actually, the banker, sorry guys, sorry, let me just write, okay, these are the singles, but the banker now. Because if we have the banker, then we sorted. Our bankers are 2 is 15 and 11. Then we go to the bonuses now. I put the bonuses, bonuses. Our bonuses then today is 6, 11, 26, and 33, and 15. Because I know there are some people who like playing bonuses, not like pairs. They just stick with the bonuses, which is also fine. On the other hand, I'm not complaining, but I still have a question mark with this code. What if these guys decide to play this number 717? What do you think? Because it's a repeat, 717 bonus 15. I'm thinking like that because they're repeating these numbers today, these days. They don't have a chance, like they're just repeating. So this is what it is, guys, for today. And then let me see. Remember, guys, I saw someone was asking, Coach, how do I purchase the books? Okay, cool. This is how I do it. You follow the link. I always write this in a little bit. Follow the link in the first comment below. In the first comment of the video. Simple. The first comment that I comment with, that's the link where you can purchase your book or you can join my group. I think I'm clear by that. So guys, yeah, this is what it is. Let's play around now and see. Let's play around and see. Let's not for example, if you have got that pairing app, it's called the Dream Wheels. You take these numbers, you put them there, you create 2 numbers. I think it will give you maybe 15 lines or so. If 17 comes or 15 comes or any other number comes, it's a win. It's a boom for you. You can even do 3 lines. Maybe it's gonna be 35 lines, which is 35 rand. You can also, you know that it's a boom after winning. That's why I like the Dream Wheel, because it includes all the numbers for you. It automatically pairs those numbers for you. So it's easy for you. You know that there is no fail. You understand? But those who feel like, let me pay for myself, you can do that. It's allowed. So yeah, guys, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next one. I'm still working on the 550 as I promised you guys. I'm working hard on 550. I need to come up with a solid strategy that will make us have money. Thank you very much.